Your donations are being delivered in the forms of life-saving aid in the camps of Cox's Bazar for tens of thousands of Rohingya refugees. These overcrowded camps are currently severely underserved, with aid trickling in as aid agencies face the challenge in sustaining the hundreds of thousands of Rohingya who have arrived over the space of a month, further overpopulating the existing camps. Al Khair's food packs consist of locally sourced food items, providing a staple diet to a family for a month. With the operation of packing the items taking place in close-by markets, the daily deliveries are swift and effective, providing sustenance to families who would otherwise be forced to survive on scraps and extreme rationing. Hundreds of refugees queue at Al Khair's base of distribution to receive their food packs daily. Ultimately, each distribution benefits anywhere between 500 to 800 people a day per camp. For just £50, you can provide this life-saving sustenance, ensuring a family or a group of Rohingya refugees are not forced to feel the pangs of hunger and suffer with starvation. Save lives now with Al Khair Foundation by calling on 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.